Hello everyone. So we have developed something in Python. So this is the question which we have. So what we have to build is a book movie ticket. Okay, so this is a question and it needs to show some options to the user, which is shows the seats, which helps you to buy a ticket, which shows the statistics. Also the booked ticket user information is which user has booked which tickets and this 0 to exit of the code. So I'll directly take you to the code now. So this is the code which we have written. So it has three modules: the main, theater information, and the user information. So I'll just run the code and accordingly I will be explaining what is happening inside the code. So if I'll run the main file, it will ask me to enter the number of rows. That is, we are deciding here the capacity of the theater. Okay, so in the main file I've imported time, the theater info, and these two modules I've imported. So these are this I've make the reference variable. Okay, so this is the S capacity which returns the three values to me, which I'll be using later in this code. Okay, so I'll tell you from where the information is coming. So if we go in theater information, it has a class seat and a class ticket. So in class seat we have a constructor which uh, gets the number of rows and number of seats from here. Okay, there are more functions, a capacity function and the show the seats, which I'll explain later. So firstly we'll be getting number of rows and number of seats from here. So this is what we are deciding the capacity. So if I'll select, suppose I'm selecting the capacity of theater as 9 rows and 8 seats. Okay, so this is the capacity decided. Now if I'll say show the seats, I have to select one. So it is showing me a matrix representation of the auditorium. So it has, as you can see, it has 9 rows and 8 columns. So these are the seats which a user can book. So currently there are no seats booked. Okay, so this comes from the capacity. This is the loop used, uh, which is used to develop the matrix. Okay, so if, as now you can see that currently there is no seats booked. Okay, so if you check the statistics of this, it will give me a number of purchase ticket as 0, percentage as 0, current income, total income as 0. Okay, so this statistics comes from, it will go in the main file. So I'll just use a while loop as what the user input is, and if we'll go to if the user select show the seats, right? So it will go in S, which is a reference variable we created earlier, and show the seats here. Okay, so it is building the matrix for us. The other input is will go in this booking later on. We'll go on statistics now. So if the user input is 3, that is statistics, it goes in stats, statistics. We have developed a class statistics here, which returns me the number of purchase ticket, percentage, current and total income. Right. So now let's try to buy a ticket for me. For this, I have to select two. So it's asking me which number of row you want to buy a ticket of. So I will select suppose 4 and 3. So I have to book a ticket at 4th row, 3rd column. So it will ask for me the price 10. Okay. So if we suppose we don't want to buy, we'll just simply type no. So it will say as no tickets booked. So again we'll try to book a ticket. 4th row, 3rd column. It's giving me as the price 10. Suppose we accept this price. It will ask for information. Suppose I click the name, gender, the age, or mobile number. Suppose we give enter a wrong mobile number here. So it is showing me as invalid phone number. So we'll give a proper mobile number here. Okay. So this is coming from actually the user information where I've imported the RE module, which I've created a regex file here where you can see a regex here, which is used, which is checking the phone number which is entered. So it will book successfully only once I enter the right mobile number. Now we will check the stats again. So you can see number of purchase ticket is booked. Percentage is 1% of the total theater. Current income is 10. Total income is 10. Okay. So if we see the seats, you can see the 4th row and the 3rd column. 4th row and 3rd column is been booked, right? Suppose we want to buy a ticket again. We are selecting this in 5th row, 4th column. Price is okay for us. We'll enter the name, something, male, age as 24, something, mobile number, and a ticket has been booked again. Okay, so I'll check the statistics. So it will show me 2 tickets are booked, 2% of state auditorium is booked. Current income which we received from Akansha is 8, right? And the total income. The first ticket was booked plus this. Okay, so this counts the total income. Now we'll go at the 4th option which shows show book ticket user info. So this comes from here. Before that, I will just try to explain the where we are trying to book a ticket. So it is in it's calling it theater info dot tickets. So theater info is a module, ticket is our class. So this is our okay. So from here we are trying to book a ticket and price per ticket which is coming as 8 or 10, it is coming from this function. Okay, so now going on to we'll try for show book ticket user info. Now we'll just click on 4 where we want to check. Suppose we click 6th row, 5th column, which is not booked, right? Seat is vacant. Okay, let's check for 5th and 4th, which we have booked already. So you can see it is showing me the information for which the seat is booked. Okay, now let's try to buy another ticket. Suppose at 6th row, 5th column, price ticket is yes. Oh, I've entered it wrong. Let's do it again. It's yes. Enter the name. Suppose male. Okay, male, age will be 54, a mobile number, and successfully booked. Now let's check the statistics again. I will check the statistics. 3 tickets have been booked. 4% of the auditorium is booked. Current income is 8, and total was 26 as 3 tickets are been booked. Right. So this is all. So you can check the code, or you can access the code. Everything I've uploaded on GitHub. So if you have any questions or doubt, you can ask in comments, or you can message me as well. I will be giving all the information in description. So this is the code which you have written. I will be giving the link of my GitHub repository where you can check the code and use this one. Okay. So with this, thank you.